On the desktop version, you're going to click the drop down arrow by your logo and click on My Closet. Go to the listing you would like to mark as not for sale. Click Edit Listing. Scroll to the very bottom. Under Availability, you're going to click the drop down arrow and click Not for Sale. After you hit Update Listing, you're going to click List this item. And as you can see, it says Not for Sale. Now I'm going to go back to my closet. And you can see it has the ribbon right here. So in the Poshmark app, you're going to go to your closet and click on the listing that you want to mark as not for sale. Click Edit and scroll to the bottom. Under Availability, you're going to click For Sale and choose Not for Sale. You're going to click Next, and I don't want to share it anywhere, so I'm going to uncheck everything and click List. As you can see, the yellow ribbon popped up at the bottom and it says Not for Sale.